Okay, we're down here at the bottom of Macquarie Street, and here is the roundabout. And here is the gatehouse just over here. Your vehicle will drop you off right where this white Uber is, over here. Because right here is the Opera House. You're going to aim right for this first set of stairs. There's about a 2-minute walk to where you need to pick up your Opera House tickets. And you're looking for the sign right here which says Welcome Centre, guided tours and opera bar. That's what we're headed for. And this is a wonderful bar here called the Opera Bar. Over here on the right hand side, Opera Bar. Great place to get a beer and a wine or a meal from. As you can see, if you sit out here on the patio, you have wonderful views of the coat hanger or the Sydney Harbour Bridge. That's what locals like to call it. And up ahead here, give you a sign saying the Welcome Centre. Guided tours. That's not us. We're going to go instead over here to where it says Group Check-in. Pull up here at the Group Check-in. Just mention that you are with Runaway Tours and give them your number and they'll give you your tickets.